Hello students, today in this session we are going to begin a new lesson and the title of the lesson is Mystery Island. Okay, do you know what is an island? Okay, an island is a place where it is surrounded with water all around. Okay, you can't find people there, hardly trees will be there and you will not find all these facilities available there. Okay, so and the land which is covered with water all around is called as island. Okay, you might have seen this in the movies, students. Okay, so how do you travel in water? We have got boats, ships, and we have some different names for the type of boat or ship. We have number of boats and ships, and we have got different names for that. Okay, if you are traveling water, obviously you need to travel in boat, vehicle and sea vehicles. We have got a list of names here. Let us see that. And today we are going to discuss Mystery Island. Okay, what is mystery? Mystery means unknown, surprising or new one. Okay, Mystery Island. Okay, let us see what is it about. Have you ever been to an island? No, nobody. So we have never been to an island. We have seen this in the movie, students. When I explain you the story, you will get to know what am I talking about. Then let us see what is the mystery on the island there. So open your textbooks and turn to page number 12. Mystery Island. Have you ever seen an island? How can you reach an island? Yes, how can we reach an island? It is covered by water all around. So how can you reach there? Let us see. By boat or a ship will be your answer. Yes, how will you reach? By boat or by ship? Right. Well, these are the most common vehicles we know that run on water. There are others too. Here are some more. So here is the list of some boats or ships that we can use these vehicles and get into the water, children. These are the boats or vehicles that run on water. So let me read out the names. Yacht, speedboat, submarine, kayak, canoe, hovercraft and dinghy, seaplane. So these are the names of vehicles that run on water. So let us get into the lesson. So before beginning the lesson, here we have a small piece of information. Let us see what is that. We know that a vehicle which goes into space is generally called a spaceship. Okay, the vehicles which goes into the space, children, what is it called? That is called as spaceship. Okay, so the one that travels on water is called as watercraft. Okay, the vehicle that travels on water, that is called as watercraft. Traveling on water might seem interesting to some people and it might be scary to some others. By the way, fear of huge water bodies is called as aquaphobia. So have you ever been on a boat, children? Yes. Boat rides are there and water rides. We have water rides in some amusement parks. Okay, boat rides are also available in some parks. Okay, so this boat ride and riding in water, okay, they'll charge some money and they'll get us they'll take on a ride of 5 minutes or 10 minutes maybe. So it might be interesting to some people to sit in a boat and experience that boat riding, traveling on water. Okay, some people feel happy, very happy and excited. They'll become curious about that. And some other peoples might be afraid of water, isn't it? Yes, they'll be afraid. Some of them they'll be afraid. Not everyone will be happy by this boat riding and all. So such people, that fear is called as the people who are having the fear of water. Okay, traveling on water or getting into the water for swimming. Okay, the people who have this fear, they are known as Aquaphobia. Here I have written, children, aquaphobia. So, speaking about islands and watercrafts, here is an interesting story that occurred once in a faraway land. So, now we have discussed about island and the vehicles that run on water and the watercrafts. Okay, these are also called as watercrafts. Okay, these are the vehicles which run on water. So, about this watercraft and island, here is an interesting story that once upon a time it happened on an island. Let us see what is that. Sam, Nanny and Rami were the most active members of the science club in their school. So, here in this story we have 3 kids. Who are they? Sam, Nanny and Rami. Okay, these are the 3 kids, and these 3 kids were very smart, wise and intelligent in their science club. What is a science club? Okay, this is science club. In a science club we perform different activities, experiments related to science. Okay, we have English club in our school. Here we perform activities, and in the English club we learn communication skills, how to enhance our spoken English. Similarly, in the science club they perform activities and related to physical science or biological science. And in this science club their mentor, their teacher will also take them to trips. Okay, trips related to studies, not excursions. Okay, trips such as they will take them to aquariums and some other places where they gain knowledge related to science and their projects as well. So, this is about science club, children. Okay, here they carry out experiments and learn lot many things here. Okay, so the test, they made a unique watercraft for a project. The test mission was going on. They were watching the gauges in the dashboard. The teacher was busy entering things in the log. The watercraft was performing well and the students were very happy with its success. So what happened? These 3 children, they were very active in their science club. So what they have prepared a watercraft. Okay, what did they made here in their science club? They prepared a watercraft or a boat. Watercraft is nothing but the vehicle which runs on water. So these children participated and they made a watercraft. So they were traveling on water. They were on a mission. Okay, mission means a task. Okay, they were doing some mission. They were on some mission. It was a task. They were going with their teacher to some place. Let us see what is that. They made a unique means special. They made a special watercraft. Watercraft means boat. So the test mission was going on. They have prepared this watercraft, children. What did they prepare? Watercraft. What is this watercraft? Watercraft is nothing but boat. And now test mission was going on. What is this test mission? Now they are going to try their experiment. Okay, the teacher was busy entering things in the log. The watercraft was performing well and the students were very happy with its success. So before starting they had taken their belongings. The teacher was checking, was everything perfect, did they carry all the belongings or not. So the students were very happy. The watercraft was moving well on the water and the students were also very happy. Suddenly the computer display flashed the word bump, which is the designated word for emergency. The children were aback by astonishment. So what happened? The watercraft was moving well, it was performing well. So the computer display flashed. So what happened? Suddenly there was a bump, which it means, bump means to hit something by accident. Okay. Okay, what and all the mission, they were on a mission, what and all was happening there, it was seen by the other people in a computer at their school. So what happened suddenly in the computer flashed bump. It means, what is the meaning of this? To hit something by accident. Okay, hitting something or someone by accident. Okay, what happened when the other persons, the other teachers, they were seeing in their school. Okay, what and all was happening here was seen in a computer by the other people at their school. So what happened? Bump, the computer flashed bump. So these people, they were unable to see what was happening here in the water while they were traveling. Okay, they were unable to see now what was the watercraft and what was happening, what happened to the watercraft. So the children were taken aback by astonishment. Somehow they anchored the ship on the nearest island. Okay, what happened? The children were also very much surprised and they were startled what to do now. So somehow they managed to get the boat to a nearby island. So what did they do? Anchored. Anchored means they stopped to stop the boat. Okay, anchored. They stopped. They took the boat to a nearby island. This land was really something mysterious. It had hills, craters, and strange plants. So what happened there? They landed. Okay, they came aside. They came to the shore. So they got down from their boat and they are looking around, and the land was, it was an island. It was very mysterious, means unknown, new. It was very strange for them. The plants were, it contained hills were there, different plants were there. Okay, once they landed on the surface, they tried to contact the school headquarters for help, but the consoles were damaged. So after landing, they tried to contact the headquarters, okay, headquarters of the school, but the consoles were damaged. What is the meaning of consoles? Okay, what happened, children? In the computer, at the school headquarters, the other teachers were seeing the students here, what they are performing, what was the mission, how was the mission going on. The other teachers were seeing at the school headquarters, but something happened and the connections were interrupted. Okay, now they were unable to see this watercraft and the children. So, and these children were also unable to connect to the school headquarters. What is the meaning of consoles? The electronic equipment containing the switches and all the necessary things. Okay, the connection was disconnected now, and these children, they were unable to contact to the school headquarters. So they landed on a mysterious land, and now let us see what they will do. Let us learn that in the next video, student. It is very curious and interesting. So let us meet in the next video.